Marami bang lasting moments sa'yo sa totoong buhay?
Marami pong alaala na hindi pa makawalan. Ay, wala po akong regret sa buhay ko. Parang lahat nangyari para mapunta ako sa kung nasaan ako ngayon. Lahat, thank you na lang. Hindi na ako nagre-regret. Pasalamat na lang.
Of course, based sa mga lasting moments, yung mga past experience. So, paano mo siya nakahandle pag wala na siya? Tinitreasure mo pa ba yun? Or
of course. Ako actually, I'm the type of person who doesn't delete photos. I'm the type of person. I really cherish, you know, I cannot like completely forget. Or siguro maswerte lang po ako na hindi masama yung mga, sobrang sama ng mga pinagdaanan ko. Hindi ako naloko, hindi ako, alam mo yun, yung siguro kaya rin ako nasa ganitong mindset. Kasi, wala, parang lahat ng nangyari sa akin in the past, they had to happen for me to be who I am today and what I am today, how I handle my life. Actually, learning process hanggang ngayon nagkakamali pa rin, may mga decisions pa rin na parang langanin, pero papanindigan.
So ikaw yung tipong kapag break na ay hindi mahahalata sa Instagram dahil walang deleting of photos, walang deleting of photos, gano'n. Ikaw hindi ka, friends mo pa rin ba sa IG? Pinapalo mo pa rin mga past?
Yes, nagkakamustahan naman ko. Never ako nagkaroon ng bad blood with any of my exes actually. Si Javi recently just messaged me to greet my dad happy birthday. So it's still like that, you know. Hindi para i-cancel o tanggalin mo yung tao sa buhay mo. Hindi kasi kumbaga, naging part talaga siya ng journey mo at ng growth mo, marami ka namang natutunan. Hindi para i-resent mo yung panahon na yun. Because if you resent that time, then you resent the main purpose na why were you there in the first place, diba? Dapat panindigan mo na andito ako dahil gusto ko nandito ako. And dahil wala na yun, tapos na yun, nandito ulit ako sa ibang place naman. And it could be worse, it could be better, but definitely papanindigan yung nasan ka.
Considering na meron kang Ramirez Film Fest.
Nakakatawa, di ba? Sorry po, hindi ko naman talaga sinadya na nagkasunod-sunod. Masipag lang po talaga magtrabaho.
Kumusta, gano'ng kasaya naman ka sa personal na buhay?
Sobrang saya ko po. Wala po akong inaalalang, wala akong problems. Very happy lang ako. I've been spending time with my family also. I've been working again. I have a TV series coming up. Kasama rin si JM. So, exciting. Sorry po.
What lies?
Ay, sandali. Kapag ka nai-announce na pwede na. Ano nga ba to? So, ayun, ang dami. Ako, sobrang grateful ako. Where I am now. Grabe lalo. Ano nga, may Ramirez Film Fest.
Nagigindang kami dun sa dun sa mga promo ng kumusta ang Puchi mo.
Si Puchi, diba? Actually, isa pa po yun na sobrang excited ako. Kasi yun na, katulad nito, kakaiba din po. And mamaya pag napanood nyo ito, malalaman nyo rin kung bakit siya kakaibang klase ng pelikula. Eh dito yung parang naglalabriman lang kami, hindi ko ganun. Malalim tong movie na to. And also yung upcoming movie natin na parang kala mo lang, nagpapatawa lang tayo, very colorful yung pero ang lalim-lalim nung ibig sabihin ng pelikula. And saktong-sakto, ipapalabas natin siya yung Pride Month. Happy Pride Month, everybody!
Tapos ngayong kumbaga nakita naman namin kung gaano ka-blooming ngayon, gaano ka-kasaya ngayon because of your love life, di ba?
Hindi pwede because of myself. Pag blooming ba kami dahil ba sa lalaki? Hindi. Parang hindi. Well, recently, yun nga, sabi ko masaya po talaga yung heart ko, I think. Hala ko dati wala akong
heart lang ba?
Heart, body, hair, eyes, everything. Hindi lahat. Masaya talaga. My whole being, my soul. I'm in a very, very good place.
Mas open ka naman na ngayon with your relationship with
naman. Diba? Parang hindi naman namin kinailangan itago. Wala kaming choice. Parang nalaman nyo na rin agad. Hindi, wala ako po. Hindi naman kami nagtatago. We post stories from time to time.
What's something about special about
I love the way he takes care of me. Parang I've never been taken care of like this before. Parang iba talaga, nakakababae. Nakakababae. Hindi, talaga, ang bait, tsaka sobrang bait kasi dito. He makes me laugh. Sobrang sweet niya, not only to me, but also to my friends. He spends time with my family. He really sees to it na he shows you na it's not only you that it's part of my world. I want your whole world to be part of mine. So we're on that stage trying to get to know each other more and also our families and friends.
Gano'n siya katanggap ng pamilya mo?
Super! Kahapon ba? Nag-lunch kami with my mom. Tapos sobrang cute ni Dom kasi kahit wala kami mahanap na parking, kahit ang tagal na namin naghahanap ng parking, hindi niya talaga sasabihin na cancel na lang natin, mahirap mo. Hindi, sasabihin niya, hanapin natin parking. We don't want your mom to feel bad na hindi tayo makapunta. So, grabe talaga siya yung sa kanya nanggagaling yung mga ganong efforts that I really, really appreciate because nga family is of high importance to me. And I'm very close to my mom. And my mom's 70 years old. So, yun, talagang naghahanap na ng lambing yun. And nakakatuwa na si Dom is very willing to all this. Like, spend time with my mom.
Although hindi pa naman kayo ganun katagal, di ba? Pero of course, parang may mga napapag-usapan na rin ba na something?
Wala naman, parang hindi pa namin ino-open yung topic na yun. Though hindi rin naman siya closed topic, no? Kasi parang nasa edad naman natin. Pwede naman namin pag-usapan. But we really don't put the pressure on each other. Parang ngayon, tingnan natin kung okay ba talaga. And if it's not, then we can remain friends. It's not the diba? Hindi siya, parang we're mature enough to realize if it's not for you, it's not for you. But you always have that special effort to make it worth your while. Na habang nandyan pa, sobrang enjoyin mo. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, move on, diba? Hopefully find somebody new. But full effort ka, lagi kang A-game ka when it comes to pag nasa relationship and you have a problem, lagi kang A-game na ayusin yung problema. Hindi tatalim.
Pero ikaw ba ready ka na rin if ever niya lumagay sa tahimik?
Lumagay sa tahimik? Matahimik pala.
Pag naman ganun katahimik, no?
Huwag naman po masyadong tahimik. Medyo may bidyokehan pa.
Gumawa ng family, magbuo ng family.
Hindi ko alam, parang ngayon nag-work pa ako, parang hindi pa naman ako talaga stable, kumbaga marami bata pa ako, 28 pa lang ako. Marami pang gustong gawin, pero kung ibibigay sa akin, okay lang din. Parang I think okay lang din ako.
Curious lang ako, so ano yung dream wedding mo?
Wala akong dream wedding. Surprisingly, alam mo yun yung mga
di ba, as babae?
Lahat ng babae, pag tinanong meron silang dream wedding, gusto ko lang ng maayos na papakasalan.
Ikaw ba si Dom ba? Do you find him husband material?
I do actually find him. He's very husband material. He's a provider, really makes sure that I eat properly, alam mo, he really takes care of me. Yun nga, nakikita ko rin his efforts with his family. He loves kids, he's God-fearing, very, very.
Love kids talaga. Parang yun na.
Pamangkin niya kasi, super na-amaze ako na sobrang attached siya sa mga niece and nephew.
Pero are you okay with, I mean, I don't know if you wanna answer it or not, with your exes? I mean, di ba? Even si Dom, di ba, napapag-usapan niyo or parang may mga ganun bang bagay na okay na yun, parang ganyan.
Paano pong napag-usapan? Paano pagkwento ka?
Napagkwentuhan. About halimbawa, Bea, di ba?
Oo naman, oo, actually, oo. Hindi naman siya issue. Parang it's, actually, kailangan siya eh. Parang sobrang crucial niya to make a relationship work is to actually talk about the traumas, di ba? What made this person this way and how do I understand him more deeply? I have to know where he's coming from. And I have to accept also where he's coming from. The same goes with him for me. So, ganun lang yun. It's always a process of accepting and wala, hindi mo siya mababago eh. Ano, ibahin natin yung past. Huwag natin pag-usapan. Hindi natin siya mababago. It's upfront in your face and you can't change it. The only thing you can do is accept and help each other get through whatever it is, unresolved mga issues, traumas, diba? Tulungan mo.
Saan magkakilala kayo? Parang pareho kayong medyo broken heart na tumulong kayo para mahitang isa't isa?
Hindi na. Parang hindi na. O parang okay na ako nung magkakilala kami.
Ikaw okay, pero siya yata that time. Siya din.
Oo, parang mas actually, mas nauna silang maghiwalay. sa pagkakala ko. Mas nauna sila mag-break kasi sabi. Pero kami kasi, when we broke up, parang I already had that understanding na this is the end of the line and I will be okay. Alam mo yun, yung parang I will not dwell on a feeling na malungkot, but I'm happy that it happened. I'm not so happy that it ended. Of course, I wanted it to work out, but you know, but I'm still grateful and thankful for everything that na napagdaan. Kasi nga, yun nga, it opens the doors to meet new people. Actually, find out also through other people kung ano pa talaga yung mga kailangan ko. Akala ko all this time wala akong type. Type ko pala si Dom. Hindi ko.
Last na lang ako, last na lang ako. Pero may...
Nakakaloka yun.
Awkward ka kaya if darating yung time na you'll be working with Rhea. Pero sama kayo sa isang project.
Why not? Ako, wala naman po kung gano'n. I think naman also for her, it's not a big deal anymore. It's just the people online who starts making chika and starts creating conflict na wala naman na po talaga. Actually, I think masaya na rin siya and masaya na. Everyone is happy. It's just the people talaga who are making issues and kinakaskas yung bato para magkaroon ng apoy. Pero sa totoo lang, wala naman na po talagang problema. And we're all happy. And we hope that you become happy for each and every one.
Of course.
Si Joao nga, gusto raw maka-work kayo.
Oo naman. Ako, okay din ako. Actually, okay din ako to work with him. We're in good terms. Every time I see him, I make sure I give him a hug. He was part of my life. For 2 years, he was my boyfriend. And I can't take that away. I can't deny the fact that I will see him again in the future. Of course, it's a small industry. And I don't want bad blood with him.
Pero nakita na ba kayo ni Bea? I mean, nung time?
Parang hindi pa po.
Pero hindi pa kayo nakapagtrabaho before?
Second chance. Diba? Ako yung nag-i-interview. Diba ako yun? So, opo, yun lang po.
Pero maraming mamising senyora sa ano?
Correct.
Okay na po.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Invite na lang po siguro.